is excellent. I'm on the way home. These are the final minutes before we arrive in Frankfurt. It was a great little tour. We had a lot of fun. We had a great show. And I hope we will visit Brazil as soon as possible again. Have a nice day. Bye.